You walk down to your local grocery store and push your shopping cart down the aisle. You're a broke college student, so you chuck in some frozen pizza, some pancake mix, and maybe some delicious chocolate donuts for dessert. You walk up to pay at the counter and it hits you. They're all circles. Circles are everywhere. Stand in one long enough and you could win $500,000. Yet, we know so little about who actually invented them. Well, 2,700 years ago, there was a Greek guy who had a really cool name. His name was Thales of Miletus. Thales was the first Greek philosopher. He looked pretty cool and he knew a ton about circles too. Now, Thales didn't invent the circle. He wasn't the first one to draw it, he wasn't even the first one to use it mathematically, but he was the first person to prove a theorem about them. Thales' theorem basically showed how 2 points on a circle in a line always make a right angle with any other third point on the circle. But Thales wasn't the first to use circles in math. The Egyptians were messing with circles 1,000 years before Thales. The Egyptian rhyme papyrus was made 3,700 years ago. In it, they tried to find the area of a circle by estimating pi to be about 3.16. That's close, but not exactly right. Well, humanity has used circles in a lot more ways than math, too. The famous Stonehenge is just a giant set of rocks in the shape of a circle. It was made 4,500 years ago. But even Stonehenge is beaten out by the invention of the wheel, which was made 6,000 years ago by the Sumerians in modern day Iraq. Even before the invention of the wheel, 14,000 years ago, in modern day Jordan, they found traces of circle bread. Its proper name is flatbread, but flatbreads are just what they say they are, flat circle bread. But this flatbread has been eaten for thousands of years. So, was the first circle a flatbread? Not exactly. The truth is, circles have been around a lot longer than flatbread. It's just that humans didn't invent them. If you step out during the day and look up at the sky, you'll see a circle ball of fire called the sun. During the night, you step out and you see a big hunk of rock called the moon. Both the sun and the moon are more than 4 billion years old. These circles are way older than any flatbread. So it's hard to say that flatbread was the oldest circle when the sun has been around for literally billions of years. I mean, can you even say anyone invented the circle? The answer is in reality, no. Circles are just a foundational part of our reality. So think about it the next time you buy a frozen pizza.